Put bay leaves in your sock. That's what our great-grandmothers used to do. Most people don't know that bay leaves are useful not only in cooking. If you struggle with joint, foot, or knee pain, they work better than those smelly ointments from the store. Our grandmothers used this method to deal with pain. Just turn your sock inside out and put a few bay leaves inside. Then, go to bed. Thanks to their warming properties, bay leaves relieve rheumatic and arthritic pain. They also provide relief for muscle pain, as well as sprains and strains in the joints. How does it work? The temperature in the sock increases due to contact with the skin. The leaves begin to release their essential oils. This natural trick has been known for generations. Unfortunately, most people still have no idea about it and unnecessarily spend a fortune on ointments. I always keep this in the shower. You need a nylon stocking. It has a brilliant use most people don't know about. Put a bay leaf in it. But before you do, crush it into small pieces. As you can see, bay leaf isn't just for cooking. Then tie the stocking to the shower head. Thanks to this trick, your shower will also be an aromatherapy session that helps relieve symptoms of a runny nose, cough, and respiratory infections. Light a bay leaf and leave it for 10 minutes. You will feel the effects immediately. Bay leaves have many unknown properties that have a beneficial impact on our health. Most people do not know that they gain a new purpose when ignited. Take a lighter and 2 bay leaves. They should smolder like incense. Place them in a small dish and leave the room for 10 minutes. While burning, bay leaves release essential oils. They have a relaxing and calming effect. They help reduce stress levels. It's worth lighting them in the living room in the evening to prepare your body for relaxation. The scent of bay leaf stimulates the release of endorphins. It soothes a persistent headache and can also help with insomnia. Bay leaf incense is a little-known trick, and that's a shame, as it's a cheap and effective way to address various ailments. Place bay leaves on paper. This will change your life. Take a handful of bay leaves. This product has only good properties. Put the crushed leaves into a blender. Then add about 2 tablespoons of cloves. Cloves have antibacterial and antifungal properties, and they also have a strong fragrance. Add 1 more tablespoon of dried lavender to the blender. Next, grind everything into a powder. Transfer the mixture to a bowl or a sealed plastic container. Take a few sheets of toilet paper. Put a small spoonful of the mixture on each sheet. Then roll the paper to make small packets. Tie the ends with a rubber band or string. These packets are a lifesaver if you have pests in your home. You will avoid mosquitoes and other insects. Additionally, the lavender will provide a pleasant scent throughout your home. Leave these small packets in your bathroom and wardrobe. They will protect your clothes from moths. After a few days, replace the packets to ensure continuous protection. Put a bay leaf on the window. Your problem will disappear instantly. Bay leaves aren't just a popular spice that adds flavor and aroma to many dishes. While we mostly associate them with cooking, they also have other, lesser-known uses. It turns out they can effectively help with a very common problem in your home. Spring has arrived. The days are getting warmer. And we're opening windows more often to let in fresh air. Place bay leaves along window frames or on the windowsill. You can adjust the number of leaves depending on how strong you want the scent to be. This method keeps flies away from your home. These insects can't stand the strong smell of bay leaves. It irritates them. It's a simple, effective, and natural way to get rid of flies without using chemical insecticides. Place a bay leaf in an eggshell. I'm sure no one has told you about this combination before. It's worth trying out. The combination of the eggshell and bay leaf has 2 excellent uses. I recently learned about it myself and regret not knowing sooner. The first use is as an insect repellent, and the second is for good luck. So let's prepare our magical bowl. First, pour salt into the bowl, leaving about 2 centimeters from the top. Then, place the eggshell in the center of the bowl. Take the bay leaves. Put one inside the eggshell and stick a few around the shell in the salt. Place the bowl somewhere at the threshold of your door. The scent released from our bowl will repel all insects. However, if any do get inside, the salt will dry out their shells, and they won't be able to escape the bowl. As for the second aspect related to this bowl, it is believed that if we keep it at any threshold in the house, only good energy will reign over our home. Happiness will flow to us and our household members. We must believe in it ourselves, and a good aura will surround us. Place a bay leaf on your hands. This is what our great-grandmothers used to do. Most people don't know that bay leaves are useful for more than just cooking. If you struggle with joint pain, pain in your hands or shoulders, this remedy works better than smelly ointments from the store. Our grandmothers used this to ease their pains. Simply take a glove and put a few bay leaves inside, then go to sleep. Thanks to their warming properties, bay leaves help relieve rheumatic and arthritic pain. They also soothe muscle pain and help with sprains and strains. How does it work? The glove creates a higher temperature through contact with the skin, causing the leaves to release their essential oils. This natural trick has been known for generations. Unfortunately, most people are still unaware of it and waste money on ointments. It's worth trying this method before turning to chemical remedies from the pharmacy. This is a trusted recipe that will take care of your joints. You only need a few ingredients that you probably already have in your kitchen. First, grab a container and drop in a few bay leaves. They have a soothing effect and help your body relax. Next, add a handful of cloves, about 1 tablespoon. Their natural oils gently warm and bring relief. Pour in some vinegar, ideally 10% strength, to draw out the herb's beneficial properties and boost the overall effect. Add a spoonful of VapoRub to give the mixture warming and soothing qualities. Mix everything well and let it sit overnight, so the ingredients can blend together. Soak a cotton pad in the mixture and gently massage it into your knee. Then, just go to sleep. In the morning, you'll wake up with a feeling of lightness and full comfort. This mixture doesn't just work for knees. You can also use it on sensitive areas like wrists or around the ankles. It provides warmth, relaxation, and a pleasant sense of ease. It's a simple, natural remedy that has helped my family for years. Pour this over your feet. A forgotten home remedy is making a surprising comeback. Our grandmothers knew it well, but today hardly anyone remembers it. You only need one ingredient, something you probably already have in your kitchen: bay leaves. That simple spice you usually toss into soup? Few people know it contains essential oils and tannins with powerful properties. I'll explain in a moment. Grab a medium-sized pot, add 10 to 15 bay leaves, and pour in about 4 cups of water. Cover and simmer for 10 minutes. Let it cool down a bit. Once it reaches a comfortable temperature, place your feet in a basin and pour the mixture over them until fully submerged. Soak for at least 20 minutes. That's all it takes to notice a difference. Repeat this treatment 3 times a week. Bay leaves have antibacterial and antifungal properties, and most importantly, they tighten the pores of the skin. And that means one thing: less sweat, less odor, and cleaner, fresher feet. This simple foot soak can truly transform your feet.